Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be having a look at the G sharp melodic minor scale. It is also a relative minor of the B major scale, which you can check out in one of my previous tutorials, as well as the G sharp harmonic minor scale, which is a different variant. Now, we're still going to have all the accidentals, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp and A sharp in our key signature, but what makes this one different, as we know the melodic, the 6th and 7th degrees are raised, meaning that in this instance we are going to have an E sharp, which we actually spell as F, and we're going to have the F double sharp, which is actually a G going up, and then when we come back down we'll just be observing the main key signature. As usual, I'm going to start with the one octave first and separately, and also before you continue, just quickly hit the like button, as well as leave a comment if you got the scale right or if you're struggling, so that I can offer some advice. And don't forget to subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. Let's get started. So one octave, right hand first, starting on G sharp, I'm going to have 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, E sharp, F, and then F double sharp, which is G. Now when I come back down, observing the main key signature. So easy fingering. For the one octave. Having a look at the left hand, starting with my third finger on G sharp, 3, 2, 1, 4 over, F and G, ending with my third, 4, thumb. So a little bit of a turn right here. I'm going to do that one once more. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, thumb on E, thumb on B. Those are very important to remember. Doing these hands together. 4 on the left goes over. Tricky to do it first, but worth the effort if you can get it right. Moving on to 2 octaves, we'll be copying and pasting those fingers. Right hand first. 4, thumb. Left hand. 4 over, 3, 2, 1, 4 over, coming back, 3, 4, thumb, and now it's just easy, remembering we want our thumbs on B and E. Doing it hands together. 4 on the left, thumbs on B, 3, 4 on the left, now just both thumbs on E and B. As I'm taking these exercises from Hanon, I'm going to have 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. definitely a little bit more coordination needed, especially with the ascending and descending looking completely different and feeling completely different underneath our fingers. Now, the cadence again is optional, but as it's part of the Hanon exercise, I'll be including it here. It works exactly the same as for the harmonic version of this scale. When we get to the bottom, we're going to come up to C sharp, thumb on middle C, and we're going to have A sharp, E, and G sharp, followed by D sharp in the left, B, D sharp, and G sharp. Now I need to remember this double sharp that I'm going to have moving down, one octave in the left. I'm going to have G, C sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. And then following by quite a big stretch, G sharp, B, D sharp, and G sharp, to end off my cadential progression. So quite a bit of coordination between the ascending and descending, not just in terms of fingering that changes, but how it feels underneath the hands. These scales are a little bit more trickier since they have a lot more accidentals and a lot more changes when we raise or lower certain of the pictures. Please go have a look at all the other scale and Hanon exercises available as well. Thanks for watching.